Welcome to another video of the Suerte del Molino farm in the Rocha Valley of the Huelva province of the state of Andalusia in Spain. We document what we are doing, we want to learn, and we wrestle with concepts like natural, and we keep reminding ourselves to have an open mind, to be loose in how we define it, because we as human beings, we really don't know what it means. We had some surprises already: deer, drought, frost, grasshoppers, and diggers. Anyway, all part of this natural, wonderful process called nature. Here we have two holes of the diggers. I don't know what it is, maybe a mongoose. And they dig at random spots, especially where we have watered, and especially the berries. We planted 30 species of berries, and they love to uproot them and let them dry in the sun. Not very popular with us indeed. The deer nibbled on so many of the new trees we have planted. We planted almost 1,000, and to put a metal cage around each and every one is a little bit expensive, time consuming, and a lot of work. Here we have moringas. Looks like they have died after the frost. We had up to -8 for almost a week. The local people say they have never experienced something like that. Now we are in a drought. We haven't had any rain in this calendar here, and that will really finish them off. The grasshoppers, they come in swarms. They sit on a specific tree, destroy the whole tree. Here you can still see some of the holes in the leaves of last year. We are holding our breath for their arrival of this year. We planted 100 Aulofnia trees. I thought they were all gone. Look at that dry stick. But looks like they are tough. They're getting through, and the leaves are coming out. So far, about 90% of them have some growth. The oats is going into seed, and as soon as they have produced seeds, we will just cut them off and lie them down to protect this area against the sun, the dry winds, so that we can contain some moist. This is one of 7 natural areas that we try to protect and enhance. In these open spaces we have planted some Roble Americano, the American oak, but this is also popular amongst the deer. The jara, this bush, really protect them well. They love to hide here. This jara is now coming into flower, some tiny white flowers. But we will also find something to protect the Roble Americano that we have planted. Some apple blossoms. This one is really starting to grow well. The next one is green, but not a single leaf. Not a single flower. Beautiful growth. These are pears. They already had their flowers, and they are ready to grow. as long as they receive some water. This persimmon now producing its first buds, its first leaves. Next to it is jujube, the Chinese date, not a single leaf as from now. Some pear flowers, blossoms, some leaves. This peach already produced its blossoms. Now the leaves and hopefully a lot of roots. We planted about 200 strawberry plants in this area. There's some fruit. They need water, and that will be on the list for tomorrow. Sunset, another beautiful day, no clouds. Till next time, goodbye.